I remember one thing, so when now the church has proposed to send me here, my parents, with vigor, they refused it. Say, how can you go and serve there? Those people still, we have a conflict with them. If you go there, they kill you. What happens? What about your children?
The action was taken to go into the bush, like to hide from the problem, the fear of the conflict, fear of the death, fear of one of the community who is coming to attack them.
I lost my immediate uncle during that conflict. I lost him. So why did I fight you? Or why did you fight me? We didn't talk about it. So it has been cooled down, and that's why I said the search for common ground has come in the right time.
The team has come from Pageri to Madi, and they are meeting to discuss about building relationship, broken relationship that had been broken for years.
We first identified community interlocutors, those people who have convening power and can reach out across the ethnic or community divides and have respect, be received, and also are able to go back to their own communities and speak.
We talk in the morning about the forgiveness. We talk about all those things that has been, wherever you find yourself being stopped on, wherever you find yourself being hurted during those things, let's put it aside.
Communities have identified safe spaces where they now can come together and begin to discuss.
Today's program will be the two communities who will be representing both sides, and they will show their interests, how they are willing to welcome the message of the peace. If our leaders are able to go and melt with a certain community, what are we waiting?
It's not just about discussion about how do we create peace. It's identifying what is that common social or economic or livelihood interest that both our communities depend on, rely on, and can build on.
I pray, I say, God, let my coming here in this community of Acholi be with a reason. How will I bring and use this opportunity to bring the two community back in love and in peace? So it is true, I believe, all that has happened, all the past experience, all that and this and that, is with a reason for me to be here.